Hi, I'm Sherry Fields with Berkshire Hathaway, Montana Properties, and I'm about to go over the 20 most important questions that you should ask before you even think about engaging a realtor, whether you're buying or selling your home.
Sellers also need to know how much it will cost to sell their home. Once we have established the listing price, I use a seller's estimated closing costs and net proceeds sheet to determine these costs, starting with the closing date, and then we put in the annual taxes for the property, the prorated tax for the months that you are actually in the home before it sells, the real estate fees, title insurance, then there is a fee for deed preparation. There's a closing fee by the title company, any unpaid taxes from previous years, any special improvement districts that need to be paid off, loans that need to be paid off, a first or a second loan. What is that amount? And then there is interest portion of the final loan payment that has to be calculated. And after these calculations are completed, we arrive at the total cost to the seller and the net proceeds that they will see from the sale.
Hi, it's Sherry again. Thank you for watching. And if you want all of the 20 videos in the series, just go to my website, sherryfieldsrealestate.com/20questions. You'll get immediate access and a bonus cheat sheet so that you can save them.